Hi everyone, welcome to Growing Spaces. Today we're going to go on a tour of our 22-foot growing dome greenhouse kit. Here we have our 22-foot growing dome. For those of you well versed with your Growing Spaces history, you may already know that this is the original. Everything else, from the 15 all the way up to the 42, were all sized up or down based on this growing dome. This dome does come standard with the door, all of the 7 features, as well as 4 venting panels, 2 lower and 2 on the top. Let's head on inside. As far as options for this size of growing dome, you have the option of adding an additional lower vent. You can add active ventilation in the form of electric or solar fans. You can utilize a desert cooling package, which comes with the misting system and a fan. And you can also add a water feature, either solar or electric, depending on your desires. This is the smallest growing dome size that we recommend for trees. As you can see here, we have a fig tree. This fig is pretty close to 30 years old. She just had a pretty extensive haircut, so she'll bush back out and fill up this dome. We have 10 feet, 10 inches of vertical space to work with and 350 square feet of growing space. We do have a central bed in this growing dome that features this keyhole design, and this is strategic so that we can easily access all of our plants without having to bend and reach as much. This center bed is also lower than the perimeter. Our perimeter beds are about 24 inches high, and this center bed is actually 16 inches high, and that is again to help us avoid having to bend and reach as much. But it's also very important that we do not limit the solar gain to our pond so that we can maximize the thermal mass. This greenhouse, as well as all of our greenhouses, come with an undersoil ventilation system. And this is a system that consists of a fan positioned behind the pond and a corrugated pipe that runs through the perimeter raised garden beds and exhausts at the southern side of the dome. This system acts as a mini climate battery, utilizing some of the geothermal properties of the soil to help heat or cool your dome depending on the season. Thank you so much for coming on a virtual tour with us today. We do offer DIY and professional installation options for all of our growing dome greenhouse sizes, so you can pick what would work best for you based upon your budget and your construction experience. If you'd like to see a growing dome in person, we do have all 6 sizes available for tour at our Pagosa Springs facility, as well as a 26-foot growing dome up in Golden, Colorado. And we also have growing domes in all 50 states and 14 countries around the world, so we can find somebody that's local to you for you to go and see their space. I will have a form linked in the description box down below so that you can schedule your tour with us, and you can also always call us at 1-800-753-9333. If you are ready to buy, we would love to get you connected with a growing dome advisor. And again, I will have a contact form, and you can also just give us a call. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.